In the course of troubleshooting a subscriber's device, it may be deemed helpful to reboot or even reset the device to factory defaults. Device Manager has a convenient means to trigger either of these features remotely from the CSR portal. Let's look at Reboot first. With the subscriber account record displayed, expand the Device Management drop-down in the left navigation bar and choose Reboot Gateway. In the center pane, check the checkbox for Reboot Device Now, then click the Save button. To reset the device to factory defaults, the process is very similar. Expand the Expert drop-down in the left navigation bar and choose Factory Default Device. In the center pane, check the checkbox, then click the Save button. Triggering these features will briefly interrupt service for the subscriber and make the device unreachable by Device Manager for a few minutes. Once the operation is complete, you may resume working with the device. The placement of these options in your instance of Device Manager may vary slightly from this demonstration. In this tutorial, we've reviewed the remote reboot and factory default features of Device Manager. This concludes this tutorial.